Hello, here's a glimpse of Seoul, South Korea. Starting the amazing journey by wearing a hanbok and feel like a princess for at least half a day. My husband enjoyed wearing a hanbok as a Korean warrior. To rent a hanbok, it costs 10,000 won or $10, and having your hair fixed is 5,000 won or around $5. They have so many hair accessories to choose from. I felt like we time traveled as we visited the Gyeongbokgung Palace. Experience looking like a Korean movie star by having a photo shoot. Our photographer helped us how to pose the right way as a Korean princess or a Korean warrior. Next stop is the Noryangjin Fish Market. It's organized, clean, and has a wide variety of the freshest seafood to choose from. There were weird and awesome-looking sea creatures. We dared ourselves to try eating an octopus sashimi.
The moment that we've been waiting for. Oh my gosh, it's so hard.
That's why I went for the small one. There it is, live little
Dipping
pieces.
sauce.
It is still moving. This one's a fighter. It might get raised up.
I can taste the sesame oil,
Sesame oil.
salt, and I put some soy sauce too. So there's a lot of moving going on there.
No visit in Seoul is ever complete without going to the famous Myungdong Street. It is a shopper's paradise. I went crazy over the cosmetics and brought some home. If you prefer eating than shopping, then Myeongdong Street is also for you. There were so many food items to choose from. I was eyeing on eating lobster with cheese.
We're gonna try this lobster with cheese, and it looks really good. It's around 15,000 won, or roughly around $15 or a little more. I think it's worth it because it's lobster.
Good old lobster there.
It looks really soft.
That's
It has cheese, and it also has sweet chili sauce.
Don't forget going to Myeongdong Underground Shopping Center. It offers goods and services that is similar to the streets of Myeongdong at cheaper prices. Another place to visit is the Namdaemun Market, Open hours are from 10 p.m. till 4 a.m. Avoid Sundays as much as possible as some shops are closed. A 90-minute bus away from Seoul brought us to one of the most beautiful places I've seen, which is the Petite France. Off to a 15-minute ferry ride to a magical island. Namsan Island, or known as Nami Island, is a romantic and stunning place in South Korea. It was featured in a popular Korean soap called Winter Sonata. Don't forget to do this before going home. Another place to visit is Starfield. It is a public library in COEX Mall, home to 50,000 books and magazines. Next, visit a raccoon cafe. Have a cup of coffee or tea in this unique and quirky spot. There you will have unforgettable interactions with fur friends.
She's Grandma. Grammar?
Yeah, Lady Grandma.
Hey, you want some treat?
Grabbed it. Has made a new buddy because she feeds him. And he loves it. Oh, Rachel. How fun is it interacting with this raccoon?
It's my first time to see one. He's so friendly.
Baby.
What's his name?
Shot.
Shaq.
Hey.
Smells my leather.
High five. High five. High five.
We also had the chance to feed the pigs. Admission in this cafe is free as long as you order an item from the menu. Step into the world of cuddles at Cat Cafe. The shop has a wide variety of breeds and it has 41 cats inside. Common Ground is a shopping mall that is made up to 200 large shipping containers that sells up-to-date fashion and trendy food. It is the ideal spot for art shots. If your DMZ tour gets cancelled, fret not. An alternative spot to go to is the Odasan Unification Observatory. It has binoculars that is free of charge to have a glimpse of North Korea. Last but not the least is the iconic symbol of Seoul, the Seoul Tower. Beside the tower is the Locks of Love. It has numerous collection of locks that symbolizes endless love between those who hang them. The profession of love is written in different languages. Inside the tower is a light display that has 40 laser projectors presenting the dreamlike interpretations of Seoul in a 5-dimensional mapping. Ending the trip with a dinner buffet at Han-Cook Restaurant, it offers 30 traditional Korean dishes to dine with a stunning view. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next adventure.